शेनवारा भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे हांच्यांनी पत्रकार परिशद आपयल्ली। रिजनल कॅन्सर सेंटर गोवा केंद्र सरकारा कडल्यान पयल्या इन्स्टॉलमेंटान 8.5 करोड मंजूर जाल्यात। GSIDC नोडल एजन्सीची प्रकल्पा खातीर निवड केल्या। तशेंच 12 म्हयन्याची प्रकल्पाक निमणी मुदत दिल्ली आसा, अशी माहिती भलायकी मंत्र्यान दिल्या। आर्डिक्स गोवा खातीर पणजीच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
We have been pursuing this regional cancer center with the government of India, and yesterday itself we received the letter, the final letter which has come regarding the allocation of funds to us, and basically we have received installment of about 8.5 crores, which has been sanctioned to the government of Goa. Total cost of the regional cancer center is around 45 to 50 crores. Now I just want to just to give a little clarification. We have this is a ratio of 60-40 in which we had started. So GSIDC was declared as a nodal agency for implementation of this project. There is a possibility that we may take the help of HSCC also and appoint HSCC, but that is not decided. I will discuss with Chief Minister and then take it forward. So now what has happened is, now I'll just give the breakup. The breakup is around 5 crores is for the building, but you will not require 5, you will require another 5 crores, about 10 to 12 crores you will require for the building. So that maybe will come from the state funds after discussion with Chief Minister. But total project, first installment from Government of India about 8.5 crores has come to the state treasury. That this money will be used exclusively with the exclusively for the purpose of regional cancer center in the state of Goa. So they have released the first grant to us, and as we go ahead and as the state goes on matching its as per the pattern of assistance, we will go on getting additional grants. So Government of India Finance Ministry Ministry has already cleared it. Ministry of Health has cleared it. Issued letter has come to Goa Medical College, and now we will go full steam. So my whole idea is, we have got here this is that 5 crores is in this whole project of 45 crores.